Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Pad 9, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this tablet. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and select power off. When the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Now once you see the Honor logo, you can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up till the screen turns off again. There we go. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. In here, select clear data and then wipe cache partition. This will begin doing so, which only takes a couple of seconds, as you can see. Once it's finished, we can select back and restart, and this will now boot us back into Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.